Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about Whirlpool washer F5E3 error code. But first, what does F5E3 mean? On Whirlpool washers, the F5E3 code is a common alert indicating that the door has not been securely closed. This code indicates a problem with the door lock, which prevents the door from closing properly. Possible reasons for this error include failure to shut the door fully, a faulty latch, or an obstruction. The following are some of the common causes of the F5E3 error code. The door does not shut completely. A frequent cause of this error on Whirlpool washers is failing to shut the door completely after loading and initiating a wash cycle. Damaged door latch. The door latch holds the door in place and prevents it from opening during operation. Over time, the door latch can wear or collect dirt and debris, resulting in getting stuck, thus the error code on the washer. Overloading. If you overload your washer, the weight of the clothes pressing against the door may cause your Whirlpool machine to interpret this as an attempt to open it. Additionally, a piece of fabric could become trapped in the door, preventing a full closure and causing the error code to appear. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the F5E3 error code. Inspect the door. If your door is not securely shut, do this. Pull open your Whirlpool washer door. After that, securely shut the door, ensuring it is entirely. Inspect the door latch. If you find the door was not the problem, inspect the door latch. Do this. Detach your Whirlpool washer from the power outlet, then access your washer door and utilize a screwdriver to remove the lock assembly. After that, slide back the boot seal to reveal the door lock assembly. Once done, remove the faulty door latch and detach the associated wires. Put the new door latch in place and attach the wires securely. Lastly, reassemble the other parts you removed and restore the power to your washer. Verify the functionality of the door latch and if the error code has been removed. Reduce the load. Follow the steps below. Gently open your Whirlpool washer's door, then decrease the load until the drum is visible and no garments are pressing against your washer's door. Ensure that the door is free of any fabric obstructions. Tightly shut the door, then begin a cycle to determine if the error persists. Thanks for watching.